So today is a much nicer day than yesterday. Yesterday was raining all day long. Today is almost clear skies, quite blue. So we're gonna go on a long ride today to U Jokuba. So today I'll be using this bike. It has disc brakes on the front, disc brakes on the back, 2 stars over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars at the back. It has a suspension. So yeah, it's a pretty good bike. I'll go against the electric bikes. It's 29-inch wheels, so that is advantages. And the interesting thing is that the front brakes are on different side than in UK. So normally front brakes are on the right side, and here on the right side is a back brakes, rear brakes. So thank you, Lucas, for borrowing me your bike and a gear. There we go. Can I catch up with an electric bike? It's much more huffing and puffing. Okay, riding a bike with not electric bike is much harder. There we go. But still managing to keep up with the guys with an e-bike. So there's quite a few hills, but it's still fun to ride up here. It's nature. I'm on an off-road bike, but we're mainly on the road. So I'm hoping to get something at least in a forest or off-road. Okay, after bigger hills, there's a big difference having e-bike and not having an e-bike. So yeah, I'm behind. But so I adjusted the seat. The seat was too low in the beginning. Now I lifted it higher so I have a full extension of the leg. It's much better to cycle, then get a better speed, more power out. Yeah, much better. So this looks like an old town. What I noticed in Czech Republic, there's lots of old buildings, old towns, very traditional. There we go, some cows over here. A little farm. There are some big boulders up here. Zvule. That's the town name. Zvule. Zvole. Good stop. Not many cars up here, mainly nature. You can hear the grasshoppers, you can hear the birds. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and in the beginning of the video you saw me wearing a bright helmet, which was a mountain bike helmet, which I borrowed, but it was too small. It was pressing on my sides. So I swapped to this one. This is a road bike helmet. So one tip, riding a bike on the road, make sure you lock your suspension to a stiff mode. So this way you're not going to lose any power by pressing your handlebar. So that helps me to keep up with the guys on an e-bike. Also, try not to grip it too wide if it's windy, or if you go on a higher speed, try to keep yourself compact so you have less wind resistance and you can pick up better speed and expend less energy. So now we're done around, I think, about 23 kilometers in this bike. So far I'm pretty happy with it. So the bike brand is, I didn't even check what's the brand. It's a GT Avalanche. It is XCR SR Soltour. Yeah, it's a pretty good piece of equipment, piece of bike. One little thing I will need to install myself, this little device here, which helps you to switch between stiff suspension and a soft. So if you're going on a more rougher road, you can activate the suspension, and if you're going on the road, just keep the suspension stiff. So that's a useful bit of kit there. Otherwise, yeah, it's pretty nice bike. Make sure you get the seats up on the right height when you go on the road. Off the road, obviously you don't have to have your seat too high. It's more comfortable to keep it lower down. Go. Okay, we are going off the road. So suspension on. I can't film much, but I cannot film much, but yeah, we'll go off-road now. You can hear my funny voice. So last bit of the ride is in a forest, which is great. So that'll be it for this way around, and then later on we'll have something to eat and cycle back, which will be mainly down a hill. So I'm happy about that. Down the hill should be easy. That was a steep hill. So we've just been close to observation tower. Now we're riding 5 kilometers, I think so, to get something to eat, and then we'll be riding back towards the starting point. On the tarmac, out of the forest. but still the views are pretty good. Very hilly in Czech Republic. So we're on our way back. I don't have much time to film because we're on a time limit. We need to get back, but in this forest, lots of wildlife. Deers running through, some rabbits. So yeah, I need to pay attention while I'm cycling.